Hi, it's Teacher Golf. Today we're going to talk about sentence structure. When we write or read, we will see lots of is, am, are in sentences, right? And how to use them. Let's talk about this. Is, am, are. Is, am, are we use at the present time. Like, I am a student. She is cooking. We are happy. Jim is very tall. Can you spot is, am, are in sentences? The first one, am. The second one, is. The third one, are. And is again. When to use is, am, and are. When we talk about subject and object, when they are the same person or the same thing, like she is the subject, right? And student is an object, but she and student, they are the same person. So we can use is because they are equal. So she is a student. Next, when we use a sentence like when we talk about we're doing something, right? Like subject, doing something. Like in present progressive tense, like that. They, playing. They, doing something. They, playing. So it's going to be like they are playing. And when we talk about subject and its quality, like beautiful, tall, fat, big, small, good, bad, better, worse, things like that. When we talk about quality of the subject, we use is, are. Like it, beautiful. Beautiful is its quality. So we're going to say like it is beautiful. Next, when we talk about where, like subject, where is the subject? Like my mom at home. My mom at home. So we're going to use is, am, are. So we use my mom is at home, like this. Subject verb agreement, things that we need to be careful when we use is, am, are in sentences. We're going to talk about pronouns. Pronouns like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay. When we use with is, am, are, we use it with am. So it's going to be I am. Then he, she, it, we use with is. So he is, she is, it is. You, we, and they, we use them with are. So it's going to be like you are, we are, they are. Just you have to remember that. And not only that, we talk about noun as well, like singular and plural. If singular is only one thing, or things that we cannot count, like sugar, salt, or water, we use it with. Like a man, a tree, and sugar, we use it with is. And plural, something that more than one, and it can be countable, like students, trees, boys, girls, things that add s or change the form, like man to men, child to children, men, trees. And the boys, we use them with are. Let's do a little quiz. Is, am, are. You need to choose these words, 3 words, choose only one in sentences. Number 1, the juice on the table. What is your answer? Is, am, or are? Is going to be like the juice is on the table because juice is uncountable. We cannot count juice. We have to put juice in the glass or in the cup. My friends is, am, are because friends, see, add s means plural now. It's more than one. So my friends are here now. Next, some butterflies. See, more than one butterfly. So we have to use is, am, or are. Some butterflies are black. Number 4, her book. See, no S. So it's going to be only one book. Her book, what? Is in her backpack. Number 5, the puppy. See, no S. So it's going to be, there is only one puppy, right? So, is in his bed. Okay, and number 6, I. This is very easy. I, we use it with am all the time, alright? I am cleaning my bedroom. Number 7, the new student. See, no S. So it's going to be is. The new student is nice. Number 8, your kids. See, add S means it's plural, right? Plural now, so your kids are on the table. Number 9, mom and dad. How many persons? 2, right? There are 2 people here. We are talking about 2 people, mom and dad. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So it's plural. They are plural now. Right, so we say mom and dad are at home. See, that is all. It's very easy, right? See you. Bye-bye.